Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you how to participate fully in the Union Build version 2 testnet. Don't worry, I just want you to stay attentive and watch through. This is pretty much easy. The first version was a kind of difficult with a lot of jams and bugs where you cannot use your phone, and even with using your PC it comes with a lot of stress. So they've made this easy and straightforward. So the first thing you need to do is to create an account with the Union Build testnet. So three things required to create an account, which you can use one to create and then connect the others first, is your Twitter. You can see right here I created this account on my Twitter, how to connect my Discord, and then my GitHub. You can see them all here. So now once you're done with this, the next thing to do is to carry out some social tags. How do you do those things? You can see the three lines up here, the top right side of my screen. Click on it and then you see missions to carry out, or you can also click on achievements though to see all the things you've not done. So you can see all these missions and then carry them out. These are basically interactions. I've carried out most of my tasks, so my task board is empty, but you can see some of them, which includes transactions and also social tasks. So you can see right here on my dashboard, you can see where all is written: social, on-chain, and communities, developer. Here are under subs where you can do your tags. So if you click on socials, after connecting your Discord, your X account, and then your GitHub, you can now do some tags right here. So in doing this, you need two wallets to be very active. You need your MetaMask wallet and also your Kepler wallet. MetaMask wallet stands for the EVM compatible, and then your Kepler wallet is for the Cosmos ecosystem. So you can see I have all of them right here. So let's go to the Union Build interface where we can do transactions. So if you're here, so here we are on the Union Build version 2 interface. So you need your two wallets, like I said, guys. You need to get them connected. So you can see the connect wallet icon right here. You can click on the connect wallet, and up here you can see EVA and Cosmos, which are currently blank, rather not showing any indication, but once connected successfully to be showing green ticks. So let's go ahead and connect our Rabbit wallet. So Rabbit wallet is same as MetaMask. So you can see they both are connected and are showing green. Now we are good to go to make transactions. But one other thing that you need to know is that you need faucet tokens to carry out transactions. So if you see right here, you can see faucet, left hand side of your screen. You click on faucet, and then you will see sites where you can get your faucet from. But I will be using the Google Cloud Web3 faucet to request for Sepulai and Holeski, while I can also use the Xeon testnet to as well request for Xeon faucet tokens for transactions. So now let's click on the Google Cloud Web3 to request for wallet, for faucet. So I started from where I started from because some of you may be new and some of you may not be, so it's proper that I start from there. So now I'll go to my wallet and copy my EVM here and then select network. Remember, we want to request for Sepulai. You can also request for Holeski. So I'm requesting for Sepulai now. So I'm going to paste my wallet address right here and receive 0.5. So I pray I'm giving because I requested today. So good. So tokens are on their way to Xeon. Now, some of you who are new, you may need to go to your Kepler wallet and enable Xeon testnet, or else you won't be able to see it and interact with it. So you go to your Kepler wallet. This is my Kepler loading up. So it's a kind of slow this evening. So come to the search bar right here and then type Xeon. So once typed, you will see it pop up for you. You will see two Xeon here. One is Xeon Testnet, another is Xeon Mint token. So you click on it if you're using your phone. So you copy and go back. So mine is enabled already, but if you are new, yours will not be enabled. You may need to click on enable where the amount of Xeon Testnet faucet that I have here is showing, and then it will open up a new page for you. You will click the box and then click on save. That's pretty straightforward, guys. So let's go back to the platform where we want to request, and then once you can remember, we clicked on Xeon Testnet faucet from the faucet page, and then I will paste my address here. So I'll get it pasted. You see success to Xeon has been sent. So let's go back to the interface where we can do our transactions, guys. You don't just do transactions here, you do transactions based on request, so you can gain SP. So SPs are usually what you get as reward to mark your hard work here. So for example, let's go back to the dashboard. If you see on the dashboard right here, let's go to achievements. You can click on achievement. Click on achievement. You now see that, yeah, like the current one I'm on, you now see a lot of tags there on achievement, and most especially on chain. So if you expand, this is 5 SP to be gotten after interacting with Sepulai for 3 days. That means if I send in or out of Sepulai for 3 days, I'll be getting 5 XPs. So if I continue interaction for 5 days, 10 XP, SPs are going to be my reward, and like that, you read them up. Same with Oleski, Babylon, where you need to do interactions into Babylon up to 500 times to get some rewards. So let's go directly into the transfers and all. So now we're going to select chain. So we'll select chain right here. So you click on the source first, click on the source, and remember we want to do Sepulai. But first thing we need to do, we need to convert this Sepulai ETH that we got into USDC Sepulai, or else rather we won't be able to transact. So how do we do that? We are going to open a new tab and go to uniswap.org. Uniswap.org. I will be providing all the links rather in the description section of this video, so that it will be easy for you. The first thing you need to do while you're here is to get your wallet connected. Mine is not connected, so I'm going to connect. The next thing you need to do, you need to change it to testnet mode, because you want to swap the Sepulai faucet, that's the ETH that you got from the site that we just got, to USDC. Remember, if you don't convert it to USDC, you won't be able to transact. So the next thing you're going to do, for you to be able to do that, you can see right here, you click on this icon up here, the top right side of my screen. I just zoomed it out. So once you click on it, you're going to see all of this here. You're going to see all of this here. For you to change it back is very easy. Once you click on the setting, you can see mode here, the setting icon that you saw there. You can click, you can either turn off the testnet mode, so you can see, but we need testnet mode, that's why I'm turning it on now. So we'll go back. In case you're confused about anything, you can ask your question right in the comment section, or join my Telegram channel where I will be answering all your questions. So now, so we'll be swapping from Ethereum, that's Ethereum ETH, because I just requested for some, like we all saw. So we're using Ethereum ETH, let ETH, and then you come to select token. Select token, you choose USDC. So you need enough because you're going to be running a lot of transactions, maybe up to 500 to 1000 transactions. So just convert enough Sepula ETH to USDC. So now we'll be converting just I'll be converting like 0.005 since I have over 11,000 USDC already. We'll now select source. We'll select Sepula ETH. So you see I'll be choosing the USDC option right here. So now that we're here, let's select destination. Let's select to Babylon. Yeah, so this is more like giving you edge. You are interacting with two key domains at the same time. So put like amount 0.001 or maybe 1 USDC. Well, let's use 5 because I have enough. Yeah, I have enough. So create ready. So you click on approve. So switching chain, confirming transaction. You wait for your wallet to get all the details ready for you. While you approve, you sign and then confirm. So sign, confirm, and transaction succeeded. So let's submit the transaction. So guys, this requires you know, a lot of consistency and hard work. Since I've been into this space, Sepula is this Union Build testnet is a very unique testnet, and I'm sure that something very good will come out of here. So you just need to keep interacting according to the request on the dashboard. Ensure you go back to your dashboard all the time to check your XPs, you know, to know where you are currently, the level. Make sure you follow up the tags and all of that. But basically, these are the things that you need to be doing. You need to be doing to earn XPs on Union Build. So the last thing I'm going to tell you guys, you can join my community. I always drop reminder about Union Build community course, you know, where one person forgets and another person remembers. We always, you know, remind ourselves. That's how it's been done. So always ensure you go back to your dashboard. This is my dashboard. Currently I've earned over 340 XPs, and I'm not relenting anytime soon till we bag everything. So thanks guys for joining me in this video.